guess what I found in the woodpile. How are you?
I gotta get out of the house.
Okay. Set this up. You gotta hold that.
Oh, hold what?
Hold it like this. That's the microphone.
Testing, testing.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put my hand in your shirt. Is that okay?
Go for it.
Okay. So stick the microphone to the magnet.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
See, now your hand's free.
All right. Ready to go.
You should have this done by, what, this afternoon?
I'll have this done by this afternoon.
This section?
This little section. You've been busy.
I've been busy. Trying to do 3 or 4 tanks a day.
Yeah.
An hour and a half or an hour in the morning and then the same amount in the afternoon after lunch.
All right, so we got to rearrange stuff because I'll probably park right here. I'll work from that side, so I'll probably park here.
Okay.
But I didn't want to park here until some of this got moved. That's the 16 and that's 2 16s there.
Yeah. I'll just pull everything out.
Yeah, just move that over.
Yeah. Leave the campfire off to the side.
I'd leave it all right there. Just move this, and then we'll put these in place after. All right.
Time to get at it. example of a log. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of 16, 14, and a 12. A lot of them aren't even 8 feet long. So how was that?
It was good. I'm going.
How was that?
That was good. I just moving slower, that's all.
Yeah.
Taking my time. But it's one less crate we have to do later.
True. Very true.
Well, we'll come out after lunch. It's hot.
I find it humid.
It's humid.
Yeah. Mosquito right on your eyebrow here.
Yes,
the other eyebrow.
They're in my hair, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, let's go take this crate over and then.
No, we'll wait till this one's filled.
All right.
And then we'll go to lunch now.
I think I have more straps on the quad.
Yeah. All right. You only got about 70 more hours to go of splitting.
You what?
I said you only got about 70 more hours of splitting to do.
7 more today?
70.
Oh, 70? Jeez.
How'd that pick work out for you?
I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, you got to pick the end. It's better.
The end?
Yeah. And then leave the table up is what I would recommend.
Leave this up?
Yeah, unless you're picking up big ones.
Well, in the beginning it was okay because they were right there, but now that I got to, I'm not picking the big ones up at all.
Yeah. Suppose I got to do that.
Yeah. Like if you put them up here, I'll split them. But I'm not even gonna
So I'll
roll.
split a log, then I'll come back and put some pieces up for you. Then I'll go cut up another log and come back.
No. Put 5 up there and go on.
Oh. I was just going to do one at a time.
No, I don't have all day. I got 70 hours of work to do.
Nobody got time for that.
No. I'm just moving the dirt out of the way. That's the 18s there.
I only got half my quota done this morning.
Well, we didn't come out until after 10:30.
Yeah, I'm fussing around with camera angles for YouTube. I hope you appreciate it.
I don't think you're supposed to say that.
Inside voice.
Inside voice.
Inside voice. All right. Let's go to
Lunchtime.
lunch.